Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. I hope you are fine today, and we have to start the lecture on the daily basis for the mathematics. And now the statement of the question is here. The question of the statement is the word problem, which is very difficult. You learn it by difficult. Okay. If you want to learn it, then we take carefully, collect the data and read the statement. The difference of the number. The difference of the number and its reciprocal is 15/4. Find the number. Okay. The statement of the question consists of the two parts. The difference. First of all, we take the difference of the number which we can suppose as, and its reciprocal. Any number we can suppose x with any number, we take its reciprocal. Okay, you know that the statement of the take of the reciprocal. First of all, we have to suppose that x be the number. X be the any number. So we take the statement. This is the number which we can find as this and its reciprocal according to its statement. According to the statement, okay, x and its reciprocal. The difference of x and its reciprocal is 15/5. Which is the final statement of the question, and now we have to simplify this and we'll find the values of x. Okay. First of all, we take as the LCM, which we can change as. To know that the process of the LCM, we take the reciprocal. We take as the reciprocal of the 4 multiplies this and the x multiplies the 15 is this, and we have then 4x square negative 4 is equal to 15. After this, we take the value of 15x on the left hand side, the sign will be changed and is equal to 0, which is the quadratic equation. You know that to solve the process of the quadratic equation, first of all, the first process of the question is factorization. Okay, so factorization process is this. We can take as the factor 16x plus 1x. Negative 4 is equal to 0. Okay. We take as the two factor x negative 4 and the plus 1. X negative 4 is equal to 0. So x negative 4 and 4x plus 1. This is the statement of the final, and we have we put in these values is 0 is equal to 0 and get the values of x. Okay, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 1 or 4. Which is the answer of this question? It is very difficult, but you learn it carefully. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, which is the name of the mathematical lecture part. Wait my next video. Thank you a lot.